Hello, in this video I am going to show you 50 decorative craft ideas from empty glass bottles. Instead of throwing them into the trash, you can use water bottles and wine bottles for so many purposes and reasons by undergoing the process of recycling. This time, DIY is with 50 decorative crafts from empty glass bottles, which will enrich your house's visual look, serving the very function of beautification at zero costs. You can customize these glass bottles in different designs and patterns by exploring your imagination power. You can paint them in a variety of colors to the displayed on the tables as showpieces. They can also be accentuated with threads and flowers to turn them into ornamental items for your living area or lounge. Girls can cover them with pearls and stones to keep their makeup brushes in them in a stylish way. You can utilize a bunch of wine bottles to gain a classy chandelier for your patio area. Water bottles with lids can be employed to store some kitchen items with safety and hygiene. At the time of Christmas, these bottles can come up with an extra embellishing factor in your garden hooked up on iron rods. So give an idealistic approach to glass bottles to attain a large range of decorative and smart creations with DIY guidelines. Okay, so I love glass bottle craft ideas. There are so many things you can do with old glass bottles and recycled glass jars. Today, let's explore some creative ideas to reuse glass bottles and jars to create decorations, gifts, and functional things for our home and garden. Here are some great examples on how to transform old glass bottles into home decor, small planters, lighting, garden decor, and more. Some of these would make great gifts as well. Imagine how beautiful the DIY bottle tree looks when the sunlight shines through. I use rot resistance 4x4 posts such as cedar or redwood with 8 inches long nails or rubbers. You can also purchase a bottle free frame. Don't you love creative DIY ideas like this? The secret is to use a good bottle cutter, and you will be creating so many crafts with old glass bottles. Check out our videos on different DIY home decor ideas and how to make your home more beautiful from scrap things. You can check the videos on this channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please keep visiting. Thanks.